Ganda at kumpiyansa ang umagaw ng atensyon sa entablado sa John Hay Golf Clubhouse noong Biyernes, September 19. Ito'y sa pagpapakilala sa publiko sa 10 kandidatang maglalaban-laban para masungkit ang korona sa Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. Ang sashing ceremony ay pinangunahan ng reigning Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Maiko Ibarde at ng local director na si Winona Luis Galvan bilang simbolo ng opisyal na pagsisimula ng kanilang pageant journey.
Well, at last. I mean, a while ago, the nervousness is like really real because we are putting ourselves here to be judged by stepping into the stage. But beyond that, I feel very excited because, you know, this is a competition and this is really something that I am preparing for.
I feel very honored and grateful to be one of the 10 candidates of Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, and I'm really excited for our upcoming events because I'm excited to showcase who I truly am, and I'm excited to show not only Benguet but the whole Philippines of our culture, our tradition, and what it means to be an Ibenguet.
Bukod sa ganda at talino, dala rin ng mga kandidata ang kani-kanilang advokasya. Patunay na ang pagiging beauty queen ay higit pa sa pagrampa sa entablado.
I do already have, it's called the Love Others Project. Years back, we've already started, even as early as the Yolanda Typhoon, we were there. Right after the typhoon, we were there. We have been to so many calamities, we've done so many outreaches, and it was only last year that I actually put a name to it. Somehow I felt like it's time for a name, and it made sense now that I could actually use that name in this platform. So it's Love Others Project. It's just about holding outreaches, giving love, support financially, trainings to the people who need it.
May ilang kandidata rin na itinuturing ang pageant bilang plataforma para maging boses ng inspirasyon sa kanilang komunidad.
I speak with the truth. Not because I am a politician myself, but because I am actually practicing good governance and honesty, transparency, and of course to inform not just the youth in a barangay but the whole universe itself into what really is currently happening right now.
Kasabay ng formal na pagsisimula ng kanilang laban, bitbit ng mga kandidata ang kani-kanilang pangarap at paninindigan. Kaya naman nagpaabot ng pagbati at suporta ang reigning queen na si Maiko Ibarde bilang inspirasyon sa kanilang magiging paglalakbay.
Unang-una sa lahat, good luck. And of course, thank you kasi willing kayong i-share yung talent nyo. And of course, yung knowledge nyo, yung katalinuhan nyo sa entabladong ito. And I hope na after you compete for Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, I hope na yung love and support na natanggap ko, madadoble at madadoble pa siya. Especially that they will get to know Benguet more because of you.
Sa likod ng kinang ng entablado, aminado ang pamunuan ng Miss Universe Benguet na may mga pagsubok pa ring hinaharap, lalo na pagdating sa suporta mula sa mga LGU.
Actually, medyo nahihirapan kami sa LGU, makikonnect sa LGU, yun lang po. Yun yung challenge. And the fact that we are representing the province itself, the 13 municipalities, I hope na magbigay din sila ng support.
Gaganapin ng prelims, gala night at national costume competition sa October 11, habang sa October 19 ang coronation night na gaganapin sa Camp John Hay Trade and Cultural Center.
Benguet the crown, Miss Universe Philippines Benguet 2026.
Ron Maranan, RNG News.